Hi, we're the founders of Allbert Welding, Albert and Sergey. We often need to cut and weld metal, but there is a problem. To do so, we would need 3 different bulky and heavy machines. But we have a solution. This is Allbert Welding 3-in-1, portable, lightweight, just 4 and 6 kilograms and combines 3 different functions in one: MMA, cut and TIG. It saves your time, money and electricity. Now have a look at it.
Allbert Welding presents 3-in-1, a multifunctional MMA, cut and TIG machine. This machine provides outstanding functionality and reliability. You can either cut with plasma, weld, or use TIG with just one single device. In each of these processes, the machine performs all the advantages of the inverter welder. Soft and stable arc during MMA. Powerful high-frequency injection unit provides soft and touch-free ignition at TIG. With high-frequency ignition for cut, you may even not touch the working metal. It is easy to start using this machine immediately and in any field. Car service, house building and construction, mechanical works or production. This machine may be useful for house maintenance office specialists, as it not only allows you to cut a workpiece, but also weld some metal structures made of steel, stainless steel or copper. Allbert Welding 3-in-1 works with a regular mains power supply 220 volts, which makes it possible to use it almost everywhere. Steady operation is maintained even at voltage drops down to 140 volts. The weight of the machine is just 4 kilograms 600 grams. Machine overall dimensions: length 32.5 centimeters, width 29 centimeters, height 8 centimeters. On the front panel, you can see the output current regulator, hose gas function control regulator knob, which helps protect the beam from combustion at TIG, MMA, TIG, and cut switch knobs, output current display, power light, overheating and mains failure detection lights. On the right side of the front panel, you can see a quick detachable MMA connector, plasma cutter torch and TIG-torch connectors, plasma generator and torch remote control connector. From the left and right of the front panel, you can also find shoulder strap holders. You can also use the carrying handle to easily move the machine around. On the left side of the machine, there are cooler grills and power on-off button, as well as the mains cable input. On the right side of the device, you can find pressure valve filter for cut function, argon input for TIG. Please note that to use cut function, you would need to connect a small air pump. To ensure steady work, it would need just 4 to 5 bars of pressure. Main specifications of Allbert Welding 3-in-1. Maximum output current, MMA, 160 amps, cut 40 amps, TIG 160 amps.
Allbert Welding is the team of professional engineers with over 10 years of experience in production of welding equipment. Since 2017, we raised our seed investments, registered our patents, and upgraded our prototype to a production model. Our engineers created a product which is ready to work right out of the box. Allbert Welding 3-in-1 is a mature production model ready to be sold and marketed. Creating innovative welding and cutting equipment is our passion and life. Join us at Funded by Me.